নমস্কার আপনারা সবাইকে and today's video is about Durga Puja. You might have guessed it by the title. So Durga Puja is coming and all the people are really excited about it, and you might be needing some looks that you can create in this Durga Puja. Also those looks has to be wearable. So here I have come up with some of my ideas that I'm going to share with you today, that what you can do in this Durga Puja, and this is what I came up with. I hope you guys liked it, and I've decided to wear sari because I always search for reason to wear sari. So I really love wearing sari, so I just got this beautiful cotton. I don't know what material is it. It's of my mom, so I just take it from her and I'm wearing it today. And along with that I have very neutral makeup, not neutral, I have very heavy eyes going on, which is like black smoky eyes. It's also shown how I've got this, and with nude lips, and also I've done a bun where I've just attached some flower, which is a real flowers, and wearing this silver jewelry. I'm so in love with silver jewelry lately. So yeah, so this is what I have created for this Durga Puja. I hope you guys liked it. If you really want to know how to recreate this entire look, which is super easy with very affordable and super minimal products, so if you want to know about that, then keep on watching, and we'll see you at the end. And if you like this tutorial, then please subscribe to my channel for more looks, because I'll be uploading more looks for upcoming events. This is for Saptami. I've created this look for Saptami. So yeah, I hope you guys will like it. If you really do, then you know the drill. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a very big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below, and I'll be seeing you in my next tutorial. Let's just start the tutorial. And I'm very happy Durga Puja in advance.
So I'm gonna start off by toning my face, and for that I'm using this Biotic Honey Water Toner, and this is very beautiful toner, very soothing, and it has a little bit of stickiness which can be covered. And then I'm using this moisturizers. I need not to say anything about it because I always use this, and this gives a very beautiful glow that you can see on my face. And then for the foundation, I'm gonna use this stick foundation, and this gives a very dewy look, which is so natural and very beautiful foundation that everyone should try. But however, the shade tone doesn't match to my skin. However, the shade is perfect for me. My shade is F12, but by mistakenly I've ordered this one. But as I have ordered, you can see this gives very natural finish and glowy look, which I always want. And this the blendability and everything is so good about this foundation. You must try this, and it's so beautiful. And now I'm taking the foundation again and applying in the areas where I need more coverage, like which is in the cheeks and all that thing. And yeah, after that I'm blending it again, as you can see. And please excuse my face, I don't know what was I doing at that moment, but yeah. And after that I am taking a concealer which is of my shade, and this is by Wet n Wild Deep 10. I forgot to show you the product, but it is also a very beautiful concealer which has very beautiful coverage, medium to full coverage. And yeah, I'm just applying it under my eyes so that it can cover the darkness around that, and also around my mouth to like hide the hyperpigments that I have. And also to highlight the under eye, I'm using this concealer by NYX HD, and it's in the shade CW06. And I'm not applying too much because it's a daytime look and I don't want too much of highlighting going on my face, so I just need a little bit of light under my eyes and areas where the light gonna hit on your face. So yeah, I'm applying 3 dots and then blending it with the beauty blender, as you can see. And also I'm applying it onto the lid. And then to set the concealer, I'm using Wet n Wild contour palette, the banana shade, and it's one of my favorite palette. I always use this because this is so good. The banana powder is so amazing. Then for my brows, I'm gonna use this brow kit by Eurogirl. This is very good and must have product, and this is so cheap, also not that costly, and you're gonna see the difference that it's gonna make to my brows. So I'm start off by taking the darkest color and applying it to this arch of my brows, and then slowly I'm dragging it outwards so that it gives me a more natural finish, as you can see. And I have taken the darkest color. That's because I'm gonna apply a brow gel which is a lighter shade, so that's gonna tone it down. And then to set my face, I'm using this makeup setting spray, and then it's gonna give a very natural finish. And then to soak up the excess product, I'm using this beauty blender, and in that how you're gonna achieve a very natural and long lasting look. And then I'm just going to contour my face, and for that I'm using the same contour palette by Wet n Wild. Then I'm contouring the places that needs to be contoured. And then I'm taking this blush which is by Maybelline Color Show, which has a very beautiful natural looks, gives a very beautiful tint on your face. And then I'm using this brow gel which is by Essence, and it's a lighter shade, so that's why it's gonna tone down that darker shade that I've already applied. And then I'm taking this Maybelline Eye Studio gel liner that you can see, and applying it to the lid area as close as possible to my eyelashes. And this does not have to be perfect, because anyway I'm going to blend it. And for blending purpose, I'm just going to use a brush which is by Wet n Wild, and it's a very beautiful brush that you should be using for blending purpose. It gives a more good blending, and you can see it's blurs out that black color. And then I'm taking this eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild. I'm taking the darkest brown color available in it to blend with that black gel liner, so that it gives more a transition effect outwards. And as I'm blending the eyeshadow, I'm just going to drag out the shape in my outer corner as a V shape, so that the eye shape looks more good. As you can see, what I'm doing. Then I'm taking a fluffy blending brush from Color Bar and blending the edges, so that it gives a more good transition effect to my eyes and does not look harsh. Then to increase the intensity of the brown color, I'm taking in more, and then I'm taking a matte black eyeshadow and applying it directly onto the lid part, to the crease part, and then blending it with another blending brush as shown to give it a more natural look. Then to balance the lower lash line, I'm taking that brown shade and applying it to the lower lash line, as you can see. And then to open up the eyes, I'm using this nude pencil by Oriflame. It's gonna open up the eyes because there is so much of black going on in my eyes, so this will open up the eyes. And then for my lashes, I'm using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm going to apply several coats of it because I'm not going to wear any false lashes. And in that process, I've hurt myself, as you can see, and for a moment I was paused and I was like, what happened to me? Then I removed the mark that's there, and I ignored, we girls know it, right? And then I'm again busy in applying several coats of it because daytime looks. And then for highlighting my face, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Pro highlighter and applying it to the highest points of my face, as you can see. And I'm also applying it to the brow bone to highlight it. And the whole makeup looks like this, which is very natural finished and has a very smoky look, which is perfect for this puja. And now let's move on to the lipstick part, and for that I'm just going to use this Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha, which is a very hype product for all the YouTubers. So I thought of trying this and I instantly fell in love with this. This is a very nude color and the formula is very lightweight. You should also try this. And with that, I'm done with the makeup. Now let's move on to the outfit part. For that, I'm using a sari, and this looks like this. So firstly, I'm just going to wrap it around the petticoat that I wear. You can see like any normal sari, and I'm just going to tuck it around my waist. Then I'm just going to start pleating my sari, and for that I'm taking the part and then start pleating it one by one, as you can see in the video. You can also take help from your mother and sister, anyone is there. So this is the cotton sari. So what I'm doing, as you can see in the video, I'm arranging the pleats, and then this portion I'm just going to take it and make pinning it out there. And then for the pallu, I am just going to leave it like that. If you want, you can make pleats on the pallu as well, but I love to wear it like this. So with that, this is this is how you're gonna wear a cotton sari, which is very beautiful. And then to give an Indian touch, I'm wearing this bindi, but if you want, you can skip it as well. And for the jewelry part, I have decided to wear this beautiful silver jewelry. I really love silver jewelries nowadays. And for the hair part, you can leave it like that. This is gonna look beautiful, but you can also make a bun like this. I made a side bun and not going to wear any gajra today, but I have decided to wear some fresh flower which is plucked from my garden. You can see this flowers has really beautiful smell, so you're gonna smell well as well. So yeah, I'm just going to attach it to the bun and clip it to secure, and with that I'm done with this look. I hope you guys liked it. So if you really do, then like, share and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye.